All right, good morning. Good morning. I hope everything goes by very smooth this morning, where 30% of my frames are not being dropped. That's really wild. So we're gonna go in first with the Forex factory. See, look, they playing already. Alright, hopefully we good. We got news at 8:30 or 7:30. So yeah, it's at 7:30 a.m. See, because it's a 6:32 right here, and it's 5:38. Dang. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out what we looking like. What kind of news was that actually? Hey, see, look, this is why you gotta prepare. See, I don't trade news, so 7:30, I don't think I'm gonna be trading. Oh, that's CPI. I love CPI. That's crazy, but I'm not gonna be trading CPI. You know, CPI is really nice. So back to we go. Probably looking for choppy markets. None too special before the big move for CPI. I hope everything goes by smooth. We still haven't gotten an update on sheesh, where is it? On the magic keys. I've been contacting some people, but we haven't got an update on it. We're gonna get right sooner or later. So right now we got gold pop up first. Yeah. Alright, the last gold trade definitely did go in our favor, but quickly reversed as soon as it hit our zone. I'm not mad about it because we got guaranteed money, and that was exactly what it was, guaranteed money. So what it was is we seen it close up outside of our zone. We said, hey, we gonna see what's up. It didn't go down, so we waited for it to do a double top right here. Then it closed outside of the big zone, like our real zone. And I said, hey, I'm gonna wait till the next candle, which I did. I got in on this candle right here at the break of this candle, and we shot down, getting our profits right here. It tapped it like 2 times before profits was actually taken, but I don't see why it didn't trigger. We got to figure out why it's not triggering, but we got somebody that's gonna help us out soon. Then quickly did something else, so we gonna remove all that and top down analysis this week with no bottom wick. Still, we are pushing past the previous zone full force into this week. If we close above this week, we might see a pullback and then a continuation, but as for now, this minor zone does not mean anything on the week. Let's see what that daily hitting on. That daily hitting on pretty nice. We're coming upon the daily right now, so I'm actually gonna mark this daily up just to let us know what part of the daily that we are attending. See if we gonna get above that daily. We got after we get past all this BS, we got a nice little range to fill. But like I said, I definitely expect a pullback after, like, by next week, like a nice little pullback. But hey, I'm not the market. All right, this previous 4-hour candle was a little weak, so I'm glad I'm taking the daily. The daily had its pullback in continuation, so we might see some kind of continuation for CPI to shoot up or to come back down. So let's see what we hitting on. We place our zones. Keep that in mind. Let's clone this. That's all right. So we're already coming up out the zone. I got on probably what 30 minutes late, huh? No biggie. We gonna clone that, and we gonna come down here with it. Anything to the left on the hour, let's clone that. Let's get right with you. So it's so wild. Like, Forex is so, like, hard on people, especially if people aren't critical thinkers. It's just like, hey, I'm gonna put you through all this BS before you get your break-even point, so you can see if you built for this. And then once you find out you built for this, it's gonna be like one little tweak that you gotta overcome. We gonna mess up your risk management so you can't take your partials. Oh gosh, it's all good though, because once we overcome that, you ain't gonna be able to stop me. Simple. You're not gonna be able to stop me. No one is. Oh, we have a nice clean range to fill on the daily 1 hour chart. I know this is the next one, so I'm gonna definitely keep that in mind. But this is not what I'm looking for. I actually want to come down to the 15-minute just to see, you know what I'm saying, cheat myself a little bit with the top-down analysis. Skip the 30-minute. We're gonna go straight to the 15 so I can get these two zones in the right spot, so I know exactly what needs to be done. You know what the 15-minute be doing? They be acting like, hey, no. And they don't let you scroll. Just scroll over there. No, you gotta manually do this. Why y'all can't be like MT5 for once, man? Alright. 7 o'clock is coming pretty fast. If you don't know, 7 o'clock is, well, I'm in Central Time, but 7 o'clock is the time that people are, well, 8 o'clock in New York Open. 7 o'clock is New York Open for me. Everything is coming together. If you're new to trading, you know what I'm saying, getting this journey with us, not only to get the riches, but to learn as well. Get the confidence in yourself. If you see somebody else doing it, you obviously gonna get some confidence You know what I'm saying? And definitely I'm trying to teach the way instead of just trading. If you got a question, just ask, hey, why'd you put that zone there? And I'll let you know. May bygones be bygones. This zone is so far away. There has to be an easier way than doing this. Is the tab button. No, it ain't. It's not the tab button. It's not the alt button. It's not the control button. It's not the shift button. Space? Nope. Space ain't do nothing. Golly, my boy. Early in the morning, huh? You coming like that? Yo. Oh, muscle car. Sheesh. This is so discouraging. Having to do this. Like, why you couldn't just be like closer? There has to be an easier way. And when I get here, it's gonna be like 10 minutes later. Like, hey, mission accomplished. 10 minutes. On a mission, we've been doing this all week. Man, I got up so late yesterday. I was like, oh my God, what happened to my alarm? It was like 7 a.m. before I got up out the bed, and I was sitting there like, dang, cause I put my alarm like outside the bedroom door so I can actually wake up and go get it and be like, cause I hate hearing alarms. They like so annoying, and when I hear it, I'll be like, oh, okay, it's time to get up. Let me go get this alarm and cut it off. But for some reason, either it was too low to the point that I was in a deep sleep and couldn't hear it. Cause I have multiple alarms. I have one at 4:30 a.m., which is the one I normally wake up to. One at 5 a.m. and one at 6 a.m. And I heard neither one of those. And when I got the alarm went off, when I got to my phone, it was like, oh, here go the snooze button. Y'all know how iPhones be. It just stay on the snooze button like it's still ringing or something, but the sound went off about an hour ago. Golly, man. Y'all can't be this far away. It's so devastating. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, man. Sheesh. Y'all playing, man. See, look, 2 minutes later. Let's see if Almighty takes me back. Come on, buddy. Pop up. Pop up so we can get up. Notice how I'm not paying no mind to what's going on, because if my analysis ain't there, my trade ain't gonna be there. And like, is it not moving? I mean, it's obviously moving, but like, So when you go to a new time frame, do they just take you back to the beginning? Cause like this make you not even want to do anything. This make you just want to go back to the front cause it's faster. Hey, I'm committed now. Oh, that's also what I have to do. CPI live trading news. Let's go back to trying my best to get to the beginning. Man, there's no way it's taking a whole freaking 15-minute candle. 5 minutes later. Bro, I doubt is this even moving? Like, they low-key making me mad. Cause if we get to it on a 30-minute quicker, bro, I know something's up. I'm just gonna let it be. I'm just gonna let it be. And I'm just gonna take this 30-minute candle and we gonna get right on this 30-minute candle. I don't even care. Let's go back to the beginning. Okay. So instead of putting this right here, I'm going to put that right there. That's actually looking way better. Here we go. Let's see what that 15-minute hitting on. 15-minute hitting on the same thing, the same exact thing. We actually gonna put that back how it was. $24 pips, 70 pips. This right here is gonna be my first take profit. like I was saying, this zone right here is going to be my first take profit. Let's go see if I can get this into MT5. To take my profits on MT5, they said I might have to currently go single screen for a second by unplugging my HDMI or something. I hope that works. Let's actually check out these sessions right here in the meantime. London is currently making new highs. Open is currently happening right now. Not too much worried about it because in 30 minutes we have but CPI, and plus I don't even have my analysis. So let's go back to the hour, grab that. Object list, delete, close. Get that too. Going through the 30-minute. into this 15-minute. Please, excuse me. And this is where we got the 15-minute. It's actually building up like some consolidation right now as we speak. And one thing that we do know about CPI is when consolidation happens, it usually shoots up. Again, it probably was CPI. I'm not sure. It was one of them. Alright, so we got London lows, which is right here. We got Asia highs, which we are currently trading above. And we have Asia lows. Which are currently down here. I doubt we're going to be getting the Asia lows today. And I'm pretty sure that CPI is going to annihilate anything or everything. So I doubt that I'm even going to be hopping in a trade. Oh God. GJ has been tanking. Top down analysts with the week telling us the week say we pushed up and now we are coming back down. Yeah. Yes indeed. Yes indeed. So I wonder if we're going to do a candle flip here and shoot down. But hey, won't know till it happen, you know what I'm saying? So the daily is currently pushing down. That's a nice daily candle, man. This nice daily candle is shooting no top wick at its peak 204 pips alone during London session. Previous 4 hour way past that. GG. So that's the last 4 hour. Does it matter? No, because we're pushing way past that. Okay. Hourly, we got a zone coming up right here. Let's get right. Yes, indeed. We got a zone that we recently just passed, broke through. I'm taking the ones from the left because this is too clean for me. There's not really much. And we know that this is candle flip status right here. We would have been taking these zones over here anyways. If it pushes past that, we got this down here. Look, we take it candle by candle. Okay. 30-minute. Hmm. 15. Look, I don't like trading through ruckus, so we're going to leave our top analysis alone for the meantime. Oh, this ruckus right here. Let's go ahead and apply these two zones to GJ. We got that right there. By all means, I never said that I was an expert. I just know how to trade. Tad bit. All right. All right, so TJ looking straight. Let's check out them session highs and lows. See what we can do. Okay. Not too much, not too much. We just gonna mark a London high. Asia low. Pretty much nothing else, literally nothing else matters. That is not supposed to say London low, that's supposed to say Asia low. Because we are creating new London lows and new London highs. So like I said, right now we're trading above Asia highs, in the middle of Asia highs and a zone. We actually gonna whip out the old testy book. Out here getting sidetracked. Come on, let's go get this money. Let's go learn. Waiting for that to download. There it goes. We are on chapter 11. We are talking about exiting the trade. So the previous chapters was more of type of entries, and now that we got the type of entries down, we are about to get right with the exiting the trade. So okay, let's get right. Apparently I lost a few frames when that got downloaded, which is wild. The slightest thing could make everything go bad. DJ ain't hitting on nothing. DJ hitting on everything right now, for real. What time was this? This is at 3. What time was this? 5. Yeah, that was no way I was getting in that trade. At least we consolidating right here. I know it's too much going on. I already know it's too much going on. But like, is old buddy right here necessary? Did that change anything? I'm just gonna leave it. Coming up on CPIs in 10 minutes. There's a trick to the graceful exit. It begins with the vision to recognize when a job, a life stage, a relationship is over and let go. You had your run, it's time to let go. It means leaving what's over without denying its value. Quote by Ellen Goodman, without my add-on. There are 6 stages to every trade you take. The first stage is the analyst. You take a look at the chart and decide whether a trade should be taken. The second stage is planning stage. You decide if you will take a trade, and now is the time to develop a trading plan. You will place your order to enter this trade at a certain price, and you will place your exit for the trade at a certain price, whether it be the loss or gain. The third stage of every trade involves the entry, the price at which you begin your journey on the trade. This price may have been predetermined. You may have to decide that you will enter the trade if the market goes to a certain price, or perhaps you just use the market order and enter the trade immediately at the current market price. The fourth stage involves managing the trade. This is where market biofeedback comes in, and you are anticipating and reacting to the market data that comes back to you via the chart while you are holding your trade. The fifth stage is the exit. This is the most important stage of the trade. You make your money when you make your exit and your paycheck is received. The sixth and final stage is the learning phase. This is where you examine your trade from beginning to end and give yourself a grade. This may be automated learning. You simply dump your trade information into a spreadsheet, such as the one available for you at fxjake.com, or it may be more discretionary examination of your, I probably butchered that word, of your trade in the form of trading journal, a place where you can write down your ideas about your trade. In each of the 6, you see us. The last 15-minute candle did some justice. But this is news before. Well, trading before the news. The news is about an hour away. Yeah. Okay. So FOMC member is speaking. About 15 minutes until he speaks. So this is not even news. It's too risky. I'm good. That would have been a good buy though. No, it wasn't. 46 pips. You could have got 46 out of there. It was too risky because one, there's no bottom wick. Good. See how far it went up? See how far it's retracting? Oh God. Oh, I don't care. All right. In each of the 6 stages, you have an important goal. In the first stage, your goal is to determine if the risk is worth the reward. In the second stage, your goal is to create a trading plan that you will stick to for the duration of the trade. In the third stage, you are attempting to enter the trade at a point where the odds are in your favor. In the fourth stage, your goal should be to maintain an open mind and to learn from the market information available on the chart. In the fifth In the fifth stage, your primary purpose is to make money. In this chapter, we examine several ways of making money in profitable trades. Some of these methods may make sense to you and others may not. It is important for you to choose one that fits with your idea about the market. In the sixth stage, the goal is to improve your trading by learning from each of the previous 5 stages. In this way, you can identify which of the previous 5 stages is your weakness. Many traders find the 5th stage incredibly challenging. For most traders, decide on an exit strategy, and more importantly, sticking to this exit strategy while managing the trade is the most difficult aspect of the successful trading. Yeah. You heard it here first. 6 stages of the trade. 1. Identifying the trade opportunity. Weigh risk to reward. You know what I'm saying? You're at least going for a 2-to-1. I understand the other day we went for probably like a 1.3-to-1. You know what I'm saying? I just seen the opportunity and I ran with it. It could come bite you in the butt one day. You know what I'm saying? But I'm glad it went our way that day. Nice little 1%, 1 point, however much percent it was, and we gonna carry that on into the next trade. So now we're risking that 1% we just gained. Now I'm looking for trades that has a lot of potential. That's what I need to start looking for, at least. Trades like old buddy right here that's trading right now. I didn't take this. The bottom wick wasn't me. If you took this, I wish you the best of luck. And looks like GJ went down just a tad bit further as well. All right. So 1, identify the trade opportunity, weigh risk and reward. 2, create a trading plan, follow the trading system rules. Enter the trade. Make money from the trade. Enter the trade. Enter the market at a price that confirms the value of the trade opportunity. 4, manage the trade. Use market biofeedback to adapt to new market information. So while you in the trade, this is what you're doing. So like if you take a profit or you move your stops to break even, that's managing this trade. Exit the trade, make money from the trade. So that goes hand in hand with 4 and 5 go hand in hand. You could set your partials. Say, hey, if it gets to this point, I'm taking out 50%. I'm taking out 65%. Taking out 80%. Or however much you want to take out. Step 6 is to learn from the trade. Identify weakness in stage 1 through 5. So number 6 is your trading journal. I understand that. A lot of people don't have trading journal. They just go in and say, hey, I'm gonna enter here, I hope I get money. Well, if you document that, you will understand why you did or did not get that money. You will go back. See, that's one reason why I'm live streaming right now. I can care less about people in the comments, for real. I can care less if I get any comments. This is for me. I say that multiple times. This is for me. This is from, if you learn from this, oh well, congratulations. You're one step closer to a successful life. But this right here is for me. This is one step closer to my successful life. Understanding my thought process, understanding my mindset behind trades. And yes, I'm going to go back and watch these videos, because at a point in time, it was all fun and games, you know. And when I get that big break, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna download the footage, and I'm gonna upload the footage again for my excitement. Hey, I caught 250 pips on this trade, and it wasn't news. Managing the trade all the way through. You get me? That sounds so good. And I'm the type of person that's I would literally cut my camera off and go to work while still allowing you guys to see this. Like, and when it's all over, when it's all said and done, I either get exit out the trade. I'm gonna tell my girlfriend, hey, go in the stream. I'm a FaceTime her, and I'm gonna be like, hey, go in the stream. I got my money. Alright? You get me? So I definitely gotta figure out how to set them partials, man. Them partials, well, I know today I'm not gonna do it, but I gotta do it. So no good on gold because of how big that candle was. If it was just like I'm just gonna close above the daily, but nah, it said I want to shoot past the daily. GJ looked like it's no good. We're coming upon a resistance. This could be a nice reversal move, or we can break this and just continue down. It's not likely for GJ to actually break this. It may look like he or she wants to break it, but just this morning we've done 70 pips alone, and that's fine. From up here, I'm pretty sure it's way more than that. From up here, we did 100, so I doubt that we're gonna do to, you know what I'm saying, more. We definitely just gonna sit here and read this book until it's time to go. We're gonna watch the CPI news, and we're gonna see what it does, see how it do. Right now, during CPI, right now we're trading above the daily, but that can easily change. We can shoot down. We got all this to feel, even more. CPI might be that one thing is be like, hey, we finna catch you slipping. Yeah, you think we going up, but we gonna slide down on you. Go ahead, go down, and that's what it does. That's what it's gonna end up doing. All right, back to this book. Exiting with money. Give me 1 second. Gotta keep your water, man. don't need a lot. You just need enough to quench your thirst. I want people to understand that only 4 ounces of water goes to your bloodstream when you're like until you're dehydrated. When you're dehydrated, only 4 ounces of water go to your bloodstream. So technically, you only need to drink 4 ounces of water. The rest of it go to your bladder, through your kidneys to your bladder. And it's good to put baking soda. I seen that on the internet. Obviously, you got to do your research, but baking soda has some of the minerals that your kidney needs, so you can keep your long, healthy kidneys. Exiting with money. The trade exit is the fun part. This is where your money is made. As a trader, this is your payday. When it comes to exits, all traders fit into one of 2 camps: runners and gunners. Runners and gunners are competing philosophies, and most traders will clearly identify which one or the other. It is important for you to decide right now, before you read any further, whether you identify with the runners or the gunners. The easiest way to determine which camp you fall into is to think about your answer to the question. Is it more important for you to have a high win rate, or is it more important for you to have a huge winning trade? I think personally the both, because if I'm patient enough to get winning trades, I should be patient enough to get the huge trades, 250 pips. Now, there are drawbacks. Putting your stop loss too early, because when you enter, the market makers say, hey, a lot of people enter right here, let's stop all them people out. They thought they got some money. That's what the market makers do. But does that matter? No. Why? Because we got a good trade. You know what I'm saying? We got our 1 or 2% on for the next setup. But what I like to see is the 250 pip plus. Now, I only need, with my risk management plan, I'm only risking no more than 30 pips. So I can, you know what I'm saying, be straight with a nice little 1%. With a nice little 30 pip trade, 20 pip trade, 1%. However much I'm risking, 1%. I can be straight with that. Versus like 250, like that's amazing. That's like 20+%. Like, you know, it'd be like that though. So let's go back to this. The trade exit is the fun part. This is where your money is made. As a trader, this is your payday. When it comes to exit, all traders fit into one of the 2 camps: runners and gunners. Runners and gunners are completely philosophies, and most traders will clearly identify with one or the other. Is it important for you to decide right now, before you read any further, whether you identify with the runners or the gunners? The easiest way to determine which camp you fall into is to think about your answer to this question. Is it more important for you to have a high win rate, or is it more important for you to have a huge winning rate? If you would rather have a high win rate, then you will probably have relatively small winners. You may have a high percentage of winners, but the average winning trade will probably be relatively small. If this is your style of trading, then you are a gunner. This is in contrast to the runner, because if you are a runner, then you prefer to have a huge winning rate. This means that many of your trades may end up as a losing trade or break even trade, but the few giant winning trades will make up for those losses. Runners or gunners. See, look, that's why you gotta take your profits. Cause like I'm both. I'm a gunner, but I'm gonna leave room for my runner. Bars. You know, this in con. Okay, this means that many of your trades. Okay, I'm gonna read that again. This means that many of your trades may end up as losing trades or break-even trades, but the few giant winning trades will make up for these losing trades. Runners or gunners, it does not matter which is your style. It is only important that you stick to your chosen style of trading. Stick with what you believe. You must trade in a manner that makes sense to you. Runners. The runners are those traders who look out for the next big thing. These traders want to capture a large chunk of profit every trade. These traders have a strong sense of confidence. You gotta be confident while trading. Not only you gotta be confident while trading, but you have to be confident while maintaining your life. You can't just be like, oh, I believe in myself. No. You gotta show confidence. You gotta look at yourself. You have to smile every day. You have to understand your life just as well as you understand others. And you probably don't even understand others. It's not your job to understand others. It's their job to understand themselves. That's why you gotta pay attention to yourself. You know, it's so funny because it cringes me when someone calls me selfish. Like, I came into this world by myself. Why don't you think I'm supposed to be selfish? Why does that not, like, why does me being who I am makes you mad or something? I never understood that. All right. These traders have a strong sense of confidence. This confidence is unwavering and will not diminish in the midst in my DST of losing streak. Let's actually search that up. I've never seen that word. All right, look up missed now. Hold on. Yeah, now Among Us. Or middle. In the middle. The antidote occurs in the midst of. It's like I'm saying mist, M-I-S-T, but it's with a D. In the middle, center, midpoint, halfway point, kernel, nub, focal point, interior, depth, thick, in the course of, halfway through, at the heart of, on the core. Or number 2, a stranger of our midst, among us, between us, amidst us. So basically, they mean the same thing. In between. They both mean like the middle. Like it doesn't even have to be the middle. It can be like 7 people and you'll be the 4th one, you know, amongst us, like in our group or something like that. But preferably they prefer it to be the middle. That's the all right. So this confidence is unwavering and will not diminish. Oh, that's what I forgot to do. I forgot to see how to pronounce it. Midst. That's wow. That's like a tongue twister right there. The runners are always hopefully that the next trade will end up. Oh, wait. This confidence is unwavered and will not diminish in the middle of a losing streak. That sounds so much better. But they had to be, you know what I'm saying, upper echelons and put words that we don't know. But we found out when we used the encyclopedia in our hand. This confidence is unwavering and will not diminish in the midst of a losing streak. The runners are always hopefully that the next trade will end up as a beautiful, long-lasting trade. The long running trades are what make profitable trading possible for the runners. Runners look at strong trending charts and think, now that is a trend that I would love to capture. Runners understand that most of the time the market will not run in an extended trend. Runners are always that a trading system may not have a high win rate. As a matter of fact, that's actually going to be my word of the day, cause I doubt so many people. No, I'm going to use this one. Look up capture done. Saved photos. Instagram, here we come. Alright, back to. Alright, the long runner trades are what make profitable trading possible. Profitable trading possible for the runners. Runners look at strong trending charts and think, now that is a trend that I would love to capture. Runners understand that most of the time the market will not run in an extended trend. Runners are aware that the trading system may not have a high win rate. Runners wish to capture as much profit as possible, but they admit that it is unknown how far the market may move after entering a trade. Runners acknowledge that the market may not move very far, but once in a while the market may go very far and accelerate in a trending market. Therefore, the win rate is not the most important statistic for runners. Runners are much more excited about the profits that come with the long-lasting trade that captures a trending market. The patience exhibited by runners is extremely difficult for the other group to understand. Gunners have an altogether different perspective on trading. You know, it's so crazy because I seen this guy get in a trade, huge lot size. The first trade, the move was going bearish. He hopped in. Nice little long candle. He made probably like 1,300 on the candle. Cool. He noticed the double bottom was coming. Literally a couple minutes later, looking at the same chart, jumped back in for a buy. He went long. It went more than what he thought. Got to trade 7,000. So I'm thinking, like, why do people trade like this? You don't get anything out of this, because say you choose the wrong thing. Say you choose the wrong way, and you hop in, no stop loss, just hoping that it goes your way. So what if it went the wrong way? What if instead of getting a strong bearish candle, you get a strong bullish candle? Now you at a loss of 1,300. Now you at a loss of 7,000. Well, all you had to do was just wait. So I guess that's what gunners are. Gunners don't just care. They just get in for partial profits. You know, they don't care about the real money. They just get in for enough money for the day. Then he made another trade, a sale. He won the trade. And then he was like, oh, I'm over trading. Oh, now is the time that you figure out that you over trading. You was over trading when you understood that you was getting into a trade and didn't have a plan. Oh my gosh. All right, GJ is getting on his zone. If it continues, I might not trade this, but if we get like a pullback and some consolidation and then a continuation, probably gonna happen about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Gunners are a different breed. Winning is everything to gunners. Perhaps many gunners have difficult times sitting through losing streaks, or it may be that gunners find it difficult to watch a trade go from profit to a break-even result. It may be that gunners are more impatient than runners. But in the end, it really does not matter. Gunners may also find profit in naked trading. Gunners, like runners, may decide to trade the kangaroo tail, the big belts, or any other naked trading strategy. However, gunners are interested in quick satisfaction. Patience may not be one of the defining traits for gunners. Gunners understand that under normal circumstances, the market is often moving up and down. Gunners believe the chance of capturing a strong trend are often quite minimal. This is why gunners are fine with small, consistent profits that they extract from the market. Overall, gunners understand that these small profits will quickly add up. Okay, so that's a way to understand the market, determine the market, but it's not the best way. So I'm guessing in order to master the market, you have to be all of everything. That's what a true master is. A true master is somebody can master everything. Yeah, congratulations, you mastered one half of it. Now it's time to move on and master the other half. You 50%. You got through the story mode. Now it's time to go find everything else you need. Alright? So let's go back to this. Yeah. Exit strategies. By now, you understand the respective philosophies of gunners, runners, and gunners. It does not matter if you decide to adopt a gunner philosophy and find consistent quick profits in the market, or if you decide to side with the runners and try to capture a trending market for huge profits. The important thing is that you understand what makes sense to you and that you adopt and maintain this exit strategy in your trading. The first two exit strategies are for the gunners: the zone exit and the split exit. The second two exit strategies are for the runners: the modified split exit and the 3-bar exit. Exit for gunners. Gunners are interested in quick profits. Gunners want to get in and out of a trade, and gunners love winning trades. So I'm technically a gunner, actually. Not the kind of gunner that I was nah, I ain't gonna tell. But that was just funny to me, man. But I'm somebody that wants zone to zone profits, and then for the runner is like, if it goes this far, I'm fine with it, but I'm still going zone to zone. taking profits along the way. So alright, so gunners are interested in quick profits. Gunners want to get in and out of trades, and gunners love winning trades. The zone exit and the split exit are designed to take profits at the most important spots on the charts, the zones. Recall that the zones are thus those spots on the chart where the market repeatedly reverses. There is another characteristic of the zone that is important for the naked trader. Zones are also magnets. The market tends to be attracted to these places on the chart. In other words, zones are simultaneously price barriers and price magnets. Exits based on zones take advantage of the fact that zones attract price, which they do. And it's crazy because this zone is about passing price. So what do? Let's look left and find what we can find. Did we not get the right thing? Okay, that's fine. It could be this one. But if I was in a sale, that's where I would be taking profits. I guarantee you that. Guarantee. Alright. Oh Hanko, oh Hanko, oh how you been so good to me. Oh Hanko, oh Hanko, oh how you been so good to me. I see, look, it's retracting this zone. You probably can't see, but yeah, it came down, tapped it, and now it's retracting. Zones are also magnets. The market tends to be attracted to these places on the chart. In other words, zones are simultaneously price barriers and price magnets. Exit based on zone take advantage of the fact that zones attract price. Zone exit. The zone exit is the basic exit for the naked trader. The naked trader looks to initiate trades at zones, and the naked trader looks to exit trades at these same zones. The basic philosophy of the naked trader is this: the market tends to bounce off zones repeatedly, like a pinball. Therefore, it is perfectly reasonable to look to these zones as potential profit targets. These zones are the most important places on the naked trader's chart. Take a look at the figure 11.1. Another figure you guys cannot see. You will recognize this is a bearish big shadow. A sell stop below the low of the bearish big shadow, net 48 pips using the simple zone exit. A sell stop below the low of the bearish big shadow. Okay, notice also that it only took 2 candles to achieve this profit target. You still got your profit though. This is a bearish big shadow on EUR/JPY 1 hour chart using the zone exit. This trade makes 48 pips within 2 candlesticks, a very quick profit. Here's another example of zone exit. This time It is the GJ 4-hour chart in figure 11.2. Again, you will now be familiar with the trade setups. In this case, it is a bullish kangaroo tail with a buy stop entry placed just above the high of the bullish kangaroo tail. The target is achieved within 4 candlesticks. This trade made 86 pips. The bullish kangaroo tail on the GJ 4-hour chart makes 86 pips 4-hour candlestick after the trade is made. After the trade is triggered. Notice how the market immediately reversed after reaching this zone. The zone exit enables the naked trader to avoid many losing or break-even trades simply because the profit target is often close to the entry price. So when I said you have to master both, you gotta leave room for just in case. All right, it is 7 o'clock. I'm about to go make my morning coffee. We got 30 minutes until we got 29 minutes until CPI news. So we're about to go get right. Hopefully we get some. Hopefully we get some volume coming in. Like I said, I'm not taking a trade before CPI. That's over with, especially with 29 minutes left. So I just want to see what it do, so I can be nosy. You know what I'm saying? Study, definitely study. All right, I'll be back. All right, 13 minutes. Oh well, so it looks like. All right, 13 minutes, 14 minutes later. Looked like it brought some volume, but the volume did not stick. So yeah, success is a decision. It really is. For you to be successful is a decision. Look like we did not close above the last high. We are, oh my gosh, we were talking about exiting strategies. We are on page 201, 202, 203. Yeah, we on page 203. See if we can get further. Later on. So dang, I forgot what I was about to say. It's all good though. Oh man, US 30 has been on a run. Sheesh. What if I call US 30 down here? I would have probably waited for this candle to close above there. Come on, let's see how big this candle is. 30 points, 300 points, 30. I don't know. I'm gonna say 30. But y'all gotta also take into account to the fact is this is how much you're losing. So 30 points would be $30 because each point is like $1, even on a 0.1 lot size. 1.2 is every point is $2. So I'm watching US 30 just to be watching, nothing special. Cause what? I don't trade it. It's going up just like gold. Gold is struggling, but it's going up just like gold. Yeah. All right. See, I don't care how rich I get. I'm not finna go invest in like something super dumb, like super stupid, that potentially is not gonna make me no money. What I look like investing in something that ain't gonna make me no money. Now I do understand, like, you know what I'm saying, when you get of the higher class, you start investing in your look and style, but like, what I look like going to spend $200, $300, $350 on a fucking t-shirt? Like, be realistic with yourself. Yeah, it say Amiri, yeah, it say Balenci, yeah, it say whatever, but 300 when I go make the same thing, it can be fake all I care. I don't care. Fake stuff still real. I'm still living day by day. Are they gonna degrade me as a person, as a human? Haircut still look nice. I did it myself. You know, be like that though. Gotta add a little bit more music. 9 minutes until the open of this candle. Yeah, makes it feel like we're gonna shoot down. Oh. I mean, it's so funny because I have AirPods and I still love using the cord. Like, yeah. especially when I'm not doing anything or much. Five minutes until. Man, I'm just scrolling through social media right now. I ain't even gonna care to you. Social media got my attention right now. Matter of fact, social media don't got my attention no more. Social media really boring. Like, yeah, you get on there, you post what you gotta post, and then that's it. I mean, even if you were like getting a lot of interaction, bro, you got your notifications turned off. Cause if I post a photo and get like a million likes, I'm not gonna have my phone like beep 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 ding 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 ding. I'ma walk away. I'm straight on it. Three minutes until. I bet you US 30 pushing up. US 30 getting them gone, huh? Yep. I love to be in some US 30 buys, but right before this news, I guarantee you, I'm exiting this trade. I done been into too many trades where I think it'll go my way, and Exactly. What did I say? What did I say? Shot straight down. Shot straight down. I could have gotten these sales, you know, but sticking to my risk management. Oh. Oh. We flipping? I don't want to get in on the flip. This is a news candle. I'm straight on all that. 1 minute in. Good. Wait, this happened before the news? That's wild. That is wild. That is wild. All right, all right. Such a blessing. Look like they pushing up. Buyers are coming in. Buyers are pushing. That was a nice little wick feel right there. We've been pushing all morning. Keep pushing. Ooh, they pushing. The buyers are in for the push. Imagine if I actually caught this like going down. By the way, GJ is pushing down right now heavily. I just want to put that out there. GJ is pushing down heavily. Came in for the sale, called a buy. That'd have been so nice. If you don't believe me about GJ pushing down, I'm about to bring it to your attention shortly. Oh, it was just a little further down than that, just not too long ago. If you got this trade, congratulations. I didn't back test, so I knew I wasn't going to get in this trade. What is this? Is this like US 30 just to play around? No. US 30? Why you out here playing around? You supposed to be the only one pushing. Gold is doing more damage than you, boy. Oh gosh, this is hilarious.
But I'm so frustrated. I love to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Sign up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not
Man, y'all like kids holding me. It's crazy. Look like we pushing up. Like I said, I knew I wasn't gonna take no trades this morning because of the CPI news, so I had that on my mind already. I'm definitely not taking a trade right now because even though this came all the way down here and pushed up, still indecisive. Yo, yo. Alright, I'm about to go in. I'm about to go in. Never been seen before. I'm trading Forex. Understand me, I'm trying to get my best. Yeah. Understand me, I'm trying to do my best. Yeah. If you trying to work, I can't mess with you. I'm in the whole different league. And dang, I ain't even cause my alright, I'm back. Yeah, listen to jazz music, I do this. 100 shots out the coop, bitch. Yeah. I'm playing Among Us on my phone. Hey, this song is just a vibe right here. You know what I'm saying? Now I want to understand, why did we go up? So let's go look at a higher time frame to determine why did we go up. I like this 30-minute flip right here. It did. Did we go up because we were following a trend? So the daily is bullish, of course. It went straight to the zone that I wanted it to go to. We're finally out of this zone. Finally out of this zone on the 4 hour. Oh, okay. That's what happened. Wait. We going back to the 4 hour. We are currently bullish because, and this is my theory, 4 hour red zone. Hear me out. Now I get that this is the previous one, right? I understand that. But that ain't what I'm trying to point out here. What I'm trying to point out is this. We never close below this. We never close below this. We close above this, grab liquidity. Well, tried to make a lower low. We made a lower low on the line chart, but it's the closure that matters. Came out again. This is the second time we came out of this box. Closed outside of this box. Rejected. Okay? The news, what the news do? Take out everybody who stop loss was too close. So if you put your stop loss below here, you messed up. If you put your stop loss below here, you messed up. Okay? And on the higher time frame, let's delete this. And look at it. You're pushing. On the higher time frame, we are traveling up. We are traveling up. Coming up on this, this is the daily. I could have took buys above this daily. I could have, but we are traveling to what matters. This zone that we said we're going to get to. Okay? So that's the news, everybody. If you learned something, or even if you didn't learn anything, DJ is still in that downtrend. GJ stuck right now, so I'm gonna be back. Like I said, I'm probably not gonna be taking a trade, but I'm going to be back. I'm gonna let gold rock out. I'm gonna leave it on gold for you guys to rock out with gold. This is so beautiful to understand the analysis. Okay. So we obviously see that gold is going up. If you took US 30 probably going up as well. Gold is traveling to the zone that I marked up. If it ever loads. All right, so that's what it's looking like. Now let's see if it gets to this magnet. Definitely did not take this trade, but let's see if it gets to this magnet. I'll be back. All right, it looks like we are reversing. Look like we didn't get to that level just yet. You know, by the time we normally get off, I'm gonna stay to the 8:30 mark, and then we gonna get gone. Yeah. See what GJ doing. I said I'm good on the trades. I don't need to take a trade. Pullback is happening. Yep. Pullback is happening. So beautiful. Want to tap into US 30, see what US 30 looking like. Yep, that's what US 30 hitting on. Yeah. 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 All right, about 4 minutes till I get off. This has been right, deuces. See you tomorrow. Hopefully we catch 250. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we catch 250.